Hello, this is an instructional video on how to work with Google Drive for the Summer e-learning class 211 with Sarah Stanley. Hi. The first thing you want to do is sign in to your University of Alaska Google account, and at the top of the page you'll see a menu that will show you Drive. Double click on Drive. Okay, once you're into Drive, everyone's will look a little bit different because it's for you and it depends on the documents that you have uploaded and shared with others. But everyone in our class should have the folder English 211 Summer. This is the folder for our class and this is what we'll use all summer. Double click on that folder. You are now in the folder for our class. To place your assignments properly in their proper folder, you'll want to decide, are you turning in a major assignment or a weekly assignment? Because this is a video showing you how to turn in your letter to the class, you'll want to put it in the weekly assignments. Because this is the first unit in our class, Unit 1, Forming Content in Poetry, and the folder Week 1, Letter to Class. You are now in the folder Week 1, Letter to Class. Now, you will go over to Create because you want to create your document. You're choosing to create a document. Now that you're creating a document in Google Drive, it should look familiar to you. You have the general ways to work with word processing up at the top. You can type directly in Google Drive. This is where you'll do a lot of the composing in the class. After you're finished with an assignment, whether it's a major or a weekly, you'll want to add an author's note. Do this by going to Comments. You'll know you're the author of your comment because your name will be shown, and you will write your author's note. See the handout for an example of an author's note. Publish your author's note by writing comment. Finally, you'll want to name your document. You can do this two ways. You can just click right on the gray box, or you can go under File and go to Rename. In naming your document, you'll want to follow the conventions of our class, which include your last name, followed by the assignment number. This is a weekly, and it's the first one. Okay. The great thing about Google Drive is that everything is saved constantly under the Google Drive. In fact, you can exit out So I've closed the windows, and now I'm going to go back into Google Drive. Check to make sure my assignment. And there's my weekly. I can then go in and then able to see everyone's letter, everyone's writing in the class. I can see the comments to the writing as well as do other things, and that might be another video. But for now, you know how to begin a document in Google Drive in the proper folder. Thanks.